Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is big, and if the Department of National Defense and the Philippine Army take this seriously, it could change the future of our military logistics and our entire defense industry. We're talking about a potential deal where Kia Motors sets up a local production or assembly facility in the Philippines, similar to what they did in Peru, allowing the AFP to locally build KM250, KM450, KM500 trucks, and possibly even the KLTV light tactical vehicle. Let's get into why this is a game changer for the SRDP program. For decades, the armed forces of the Philippines has relied heavily on imported mobility assets. We depend on foreign suppliers for troop carrier trucks, light tactical vehicles, logistics and engineering vehicles, and spare parts. And while these systems are crucial, the problem is simple. Every time new trucks are delivered, we become dependent on overseas support, foreign spare parts, and foreign timelines. Add to that long delivery schedules, rising global competition for defense vehicles, and the AFP's growing needs for HADR, logistics, and internal security. Peru did something very smart. They signed a deal with Kia Motors that allowed them to assemble military trucks locally, with guaranteed long-term purchases from their armed forces. The result? Job creation, lower cost per unit, faster delivery, easier maintenance, a stronger local industry, and the start of their self-reliant defense capability. This is exactly the kind of partnership the SRDP program in the Philippines aims to achieve. If Peru can do it with Kia, why not the Philippines? Kia has decades of experience producing reliable military vehicles that the AFP already knows and uses. KM250, the backbone of the PA for years. KM450, popular for logistics and troop transport. KM500, heavy-duty cargo and engineering use. KLTV, modern light tactical vehicle, ballistic protection, modular design, multi-role. These vehicles are durable, easy to maintain, proven in tropical environments, and compatible with existing AFP logistics. Kia also wants to expand its defense manufacturing footprint in Asia. The Philippines is strategically located, has a massive labor force, and has growing defense requirements. It's a natural match. Imagine this scenario. The DND signs an agreement with Kia Motors to build a local assembly facility, either fully government-owned, fully Kia-owned, or a joint venture. This facility could assemble KM250, KM450, and KM500 trucks, assemble or partially manufacture the KLTV, support the Philippine Army, Air Force, Marines, and PCG logistics, supply spare parts locally, maintain and overhaul older Kia trucks, and most importantly, Kia will only commit if the AFP guarantees continuous purchases for many years. That is exactly how Peru secured its deal. South Korea is already a key defense partner. FA-50PH jets, naval vessels, and possibly submarines. A Kia military vehicle facility strengthens this relationship even more. If the Philippines wants a stronger, self-reliant military, then local production is the future, and Kia Motors is the perfect starting point. A Peru-Style agreement isn't just an idea, it's a blueprint for a stronger AFP and a stronger Philippines. If you agree that the DND should seriously consider this partnership, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more defense updates and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.